Hello, it's Emmanuel from My Little Cookbook, and today we'll be showing you the onion holder. This tool it helps you make perfect slices every time, and I'm going to show you how to use it on an onion. We've already peeled an onion, and so here it is. It's my first time using the tool, so here we go. I'm going to just get the prongs through. Okay, you can just take your knife and insert it in between each little prong, and it helps you make an even size cut. This tool is cool because you can use it on basically anything you can get the prongs through, which includes potatoes, cucumbers, tomatoes, just anything that you can get the prongs through. You can use it on any single vegetable or fruit or whatever it is. So here I go, I'm done cutting. Let me take this out. Okay, and let me just spread these out. I got these perfectly even slices of onion. Yep, if you want to pick this tool up, just visit www.mylittlecookbookforyou.com and check out the blog post, Coolest Kitchen Gadgets Under $20, and you can pick this thing up for around $10. Thanks for watching.